In this video I wanted to show you how to install Android system and an aftermarket reversing camera on a Toyota Auris. Let's do it. Okay, so installing the camera for an Android system for a Toyota Auris. This is 2012. First things first, once the stereo is removed, if you want to see how you do that, there'll be a link in the description below. Anyhow, so we're going to be feeding our wires through the side here. So we need to come to this side panel here. We'll be taking this off and this pops out like this. 1 second. When we take this out like this, just disconnect this line here. This is for the airbags, switching on and off the airbags. Very sensitive piece of equipment. Place that down there, like so. I'll just leave that. Just pull this tab out here. Anyway, that's what we need to do. So that's what you need to do. Okay, so it is here. Through to the other side. Very good. And that's ready for connection to the Android system. So now we're going to take this cable and we're going to run it up behind this here, behind this trim here. And this is the easiest way to do it. And just hooking it behind with a tool like this. Let's see. Anyway, go over to the other side again. Yeah. Just pull it behind like that. Run the cable up. Like so. And then with the tool, that should be able to just feed it all the way up in behind. Like so. And tuck it right in there. And do that the whole way to the back. Like this. Oh God, you have to be careful here because my back is real sore. And it comes around and then through here at the side, if there's an airbag here, it doesn't really matter. It'll fit in here like this. And underneath this pillar. Like so. All the way to the back. So when you come to this point, same thing, just tuck it in behind this plastic trim. Same thing all over. And it's a bit tricky just getting it in, but as you can see, it goes in easy enough and goes into the bag. No big issue, it's very easy to do, especially for me, because at the minute I'm not really fit to do very much. There we go. So we go all the way to the back and you can see it's well hidden. To the back we go. At this point now, we just have to tuck it in under here, and here, all the way over. And the next thing, I do have to take this out, this grommet here, yes I do. And that's what the first part that has to come off here is this. And this was pulled off like so. When you have it removed, look, you can see these white clips. These are the ones, you have to just yank it out, that's as simple as that. I'm leaving the two side bits in here because they are connected to this what holds the flap on the bag, the cover on the bag. So we leave them in place. So next thing now is get the clips here and clips here. Take a small screwdriver and you can just pop it out like that. That's it, that's done. Right? So that's that. Now we run our cable through here, through the bottom of this. Like this. Wow. There we go. So, when that's coming through, we just put this trim back on. Lining back on. We're finished here. Yeah, that's it to the back. Very good, that's that. Tuck it in properly now. Like this. So I'll just finish this and I'll be back. Feed through this plastic piece first of all. There we go. Very nice. Now we need to get through here, so we need to fish it from there to there. That's what we're going to do next. So we can use really anything. You can use the fishing tools I have. You can use any sort of little bit of anything that's long enough to get through it. So what you do then is you need to straighten that up and push this through this plastic grommet. Let's get to the other side. Stay alright. There we go. And then what we're going to do is we're going to get it back to the tape. Yeah, so as you can see, I have it taped up, ready to be pulled through. When you're taping it up, make sure you have it like that there, like a sort of a cone, so nothing can catch on the way through. So that's important, that is. So what we have here now is I need to put some lube on this here. So a bit of washing up liquid, like so. Perfect. And I'm going to go and clean my hands. So now we have that lubed up. Just put it through. Oh, it's just there, look. Just there. I'll get me pliers to that and pull that through. Right, so there we go, lovely jubbly. That's it now. Another piece of the jigsaw done. Right, so this piece is on here. Now, when you're putting this on, put the rubber thing over the plastic bit first. Get the rubber bit on and it just clicks in then, that simple. This through here like so. Like this, put this grommet back in. Like so. That's it. Important these go in properly, because these are water, keep water out and stuff like that, otherwise the car will rust and it'll wreck the wiring and stuff like that. So important we get that done. That's that through there. I'm going to start putting back on this trim now. Right, and these just click in the same way as they come off. Look. There's a piece after coming out there, but that'll be held in. Let's see. There we go. That's that now. That's grand. That's perfect. Now this back piece goes on. You can see where the clips are in order to reposition it. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all on there now. So we're working here now. This is the next step. So we're going to strip this back a bit and we're going to join directly into this here now. We will need to find out which is live and which is not. We're going to check to see what the voltage, which is live and which is not. So we have it on 20 volt. You have plus and minus. So we're going to go in here directly into this. So I'm looking at this. I see a black line on that, so I'd say that's the ground, I would bet. And the green one's going to be live. So let's see. Is that the case? There we go, 12.85. So that's it. And if it was the other way around, you'll get a minus. Watching me, see? See, minus. So the green and white is live for everyone that needs to know. Strip this back. As you can see, it's like split in half. So you just follow that back carefully without damaging the wires in there. And we'll strip it back so we can get access to this cable here. As you can see what I'm doing. And that's that here. Now I'll strip it back a little bit more. Very good. Now we're going to tap into this. So remember, the green is live and the black is earth. So we're just going to wire directly into the live, and then we're going to take an earth off the back of the car. Here, we'll take the earth there. See, right. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to shave the protection off here on both sides. Like this. It's one side. And get the other side as well. Take off just 10 mil and just 10 mil here, and this should take off the back door release button. And then there's, if you look, if I don't know if you can see, there's two plastic clips in there, one there and there's one over there. They need to come off. Okay, so we need to drill a hole through in order to get this through. The camera has to be brought through this way. So this is that width there, so we have to drill a hole through at the back, and then we'll be using a rubber grommet then to put around the edge so it's protected. I've already a pilot hole done. So that's basically what I'm going to do. So when this done, I'll come back, rubber grommet over the top and on, so when the cables go through, that you can just click your grommet into the hole you just drilled. So And the next thing I'm going to do, now I'm going to do it differently. This car, I just hold that there, please. I just got it up that far, so I'm going to feed the wires through, just through that, and then I'm going to bring it through just the wire just out here. So I'll just get the file and I'll just file a little half circle there, or else I'll bring it in underneath here. But I'll see what I'm doing. Promise on, protect that wire. Pull down here now. Now this one here, we'll bring the cable out. Bring the cable out there, like this. Let's see, get a bit more. So we'll bring it through there like that, and then we can boot it, close back down on top of it. The clips. Yes, that should fit nicely on there. Watch your hand. Move your hand. Yeah, and then the bolts will go back on it. So that's it there now. That's the camera's going to be fixed in that position there. So we're going to wire it up now. So with the camera comes if you're yellow and red, and then this yellow connects into the feed from the front. This one connects in here like so. Strip the wires. There. And before we do this, we're going to disconnect the battery. Again, we can disconnect it every time we're at it, you know. Right, so that's that. So we connect this one with this one. So these two join up here now like so. So this is sending a live feed to the front when the car's engaged in reverse. So that's that, and then we have the minus, which is going to go on here. Okay, so what we're going to do is, as you can see, the live wire here, green and white. Remember, I connected the two lives to this. I just connected directly onto it, and I just stripped the wire back. So I didn't take off the. I didn't make a break in the circuit, and that way, then by doing that, you'll have no warning lights triggered on the front. And I'll just tape this up. And the next thing we'll be doing the earth, the ground. That's that. Next thing is ground on here. Good stuff. Okay, so the camera I fitted on this side, and you can see just screwed in both sides, and we can adjust this layer when we have the main screen in. Ratchet. Yeah, we put this handle back on. Very good. So we'll come back when that's done. So now with this end here, we need to connect this to the one that says back. So we have to join these together. Like so. And in this case, what I'm going to use in this case is an electric joiner, which are here. Like this. And we put this in here. This will hold this, and it will go nowhere. 100% safe. And tighten it up. And then we'll tighten it up, and then just put the tape on it so back in. So we have the trigger wire connected. We just connect the camera to this, and then this one goes to that one there, that one there, like so. And then we have, where's the rest of the harness? Where's the wire harness? I have it here. So connect the rest of the wire harness up. Put that back in. There you go. I'm going to put a bit of tape on that so it doesn't come loose. will hold that. Now, jigsaw puzzle time. Let's just connect all these. Not that one. Not that one. That one there, that's it. Yeah. Oh, there we go. That's one. This one here going into this one. That's two. Yep, like so. Three. And this one here goes in like so. That's not for that. No, this one is loose. Now we need the radio. That's all we have there with that. Now the radio connection. It's this one here. Oh yeah, radio is connected to that. In there. And then what else have we got here on this loom? That's everything down there by the looks of it. There's one spare here, but it doesn't seem to fit this one, so no, it's too big. So that's it now. Then we have, make sure there's no more cables in there. That's them all connected. Yep, very good. This was off, yeah. Right, okay. So now we turn on the ignition.
There's no GPS to go on this, is there?